Hello, this is Attila Zolani from Hyperorganic again. Today I'm going to show you guys how can you put beautiful buttons, basically scripts up on your toolbar, so you can create your own custom tools. Basically you can go to the commands add script and file or plugin. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to load. So that script, open scripts, and for instance this renamer script. So basically this script renames my objects, items in the scene based on the scene name. So if my scene is named properly, then it's going to take the version number and it's going to apply it to the emitters and objects and demons and meshes and grids and stuff. So I'm going to close this. Command add. Let's go to the script from file. And here, first you have to make sure you give all the information it needs, because it's kind of hard to change later. So first I'm going to call it renamer. I'm going to navigate to the script. So I'm going to go to buttons, renamer. Then I have to tell which toolbar to put on, so I'm going to use the user toolbar 0. Then I will navigate. I'm going to find the icons, so it's in program files, next limit, script icons, and I created my own custom icons. So this one, and we have to make sure we create a folder. So this folder is going to be called hyperorganic utils, and you have to, if I hit enter, and then you have to select it, and after you select it, you can put a shortcut, so you can use like Alt Shift, for instance R. Then okay, you see the icon appeared on the screen, so let me show you what this does. It creates a sphere, another sphere emitter, demon, and particle mesh. So I hit this button. If my scene name is named correctly and it's in the right folder, it checks for versions and puts prefixes there and suffixes. So basically it renames my objects, so I'm not going to have two sphere 2s in there. Now I will add another script, so let's go in commands, add, scripts from file. I'm going to call this backup, script, okay, scripts, buttons, backup, okay. I want to make sure I put it on user toolbar 0. If not, it's going to create another toolbar. I will show you that too. And then pick an icon. It keeps forgetting, Windows keeps forgetting this, so I have to navigate again. Next limit, scripts, icons. I created these folders and I put in my scripts. So it's going to be backup. And Alt Shift B. Then I select the folder and hit OK. So my icon appeared here. So what this script does, if it creates a folder, a backup folder. Let me show you. So this is my tutorial here, and I don't have any folder yet, but if I hit this button, it saves. Oops. It creates a backup folder and it saves a backup of my file into this folder. So if my file gets corrupted or something happens, then I have a safety file that I created while I was working on it. Okay, and then let me show you. Okay, let's delete stuff. So commands, organize. So in here you can organize, you can change some properties. So you can hit change properties, you can rename this stuff. I don't know, tutorial renamer, and then you can put this on toolbar 1, and you could change icon or the shortcut. So let's hit OK. So now you see that oh, I have to close this. So let's close it, and you see that it's created another toolbar. So now I have user toolbar 1 or 0 and user toolbar 1. So you can create categories, and you can put them on different toolbars, and you can put them in different folders as well. So you can create a new folder underneath. You can remove folder. You can edit the script and then save it, and you can just remove them one by one. You can remove the whole folder, and then everything is gone and went back to the default. Now if you create all your folders and scripts and toolbars, as soon you close Realflow remembers. So next time you open Realflow, the tools are there, so you can go ahead and work with your own custom scripts. I hope this was useful. You can find the user commands here. This is empty right now. You have the your commands show up. The ones that are on the toolbar, they will show up here. Then these are the system commands, the fluids, mesh, and just updating the menu. And this is it. Thank you for listening. Visit my website at hyperorganic.com, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email. I hope you enjoyed this movie and it was helpful. See you guys soon.